About 1 week ago today, as I'm recording this, I participated in my first game jam ever. It was the completion jam hosted by Denyum. The theme was out of place, and I took that quite an interesting way, in my opinion. I think I had one idea before I landed on the idea that I ended up going on, and that was a stealth platformer game like Stealth Bastard, where instead of staying in the shadows, you had to stay in the light. I realized that made no sense. It would be very hard to do, and B, I realized that I don't know how to do anything of the sort to make an interesting stealth game, so I scrapped that, and for about like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I don't know, I started thinking of another idea, and that other idea is the idea I ended up going on. I built it on top of the project I've been using for the last 2 game dev journeys, but what you would have realized is this is welcome to the Displacement Facility Devlog 1, because I plan to take this game further. It's still going to be in a game dev journey playlist, so it's still technically episode 5, but it's also a devlog episode 1, so I just thought I'd clear that up. Anyway, this video is probably going to be longer than usual, but I'm also not going to go through too much of the development progress, because I'm stupid, so I didn't record any of it, and because I didn't want to edit it. And I don't remember any of it, so I can just go in and go. So basically on day 1 I did this, so I started with everything I had before, but I kind of changed quite a bit of it, so it's not exactly the same. I added the level, I guess, is the 2 levels that I had before. They're gone, they're out of here, completely repurposed. So as you can see already here on the sprite tree, there is in-world text and arrows, which is what I added for this. There is a lot more. There are quite a few more objects here. There is a displaceable object. There is a game object. There is a menu object. There is a enemy hurter object. There is a room 3 and room 4 manager object. There is textbox collision. There is a transition object, so yes, I finished transitions. And there is a turn collider object, which is like double the objects. So I'm mainly going to go through those, but I will also touch on the player. So OBJ bullet, that's the same camera, that's all. These are all. The first one we have here is Displaceable. So this is the unique idea I landed on. You can fire. Actually, I'm just gonna load up the game and show you. So yeah, this is the game launched. It's on itch. I'll link the itch in the description. I think it's slow, but here, look, there's sound effects as well. Forgot to mention that. Yeah, it's acting slow because my computer's too garbage. But normally this would be a lot more snappy and nice looking. But what can you do? I guess. But yeah, rather than improving performance of it. It's fine when I'm not recording, so I'll probably improve performance eventually when I get one of my friends or. So that is a bug that is in the game that I will eventually end up fixing. So yeah, you can basically fire that blue bullet at blocks and some blocks. Actually, way too many blocks in this level, and I'm just not going to show that off because you don't need to see any of the bugs, which would be preferable at least, other than this one. Why did I show you this one? So yeah, you can place blocks down in the level. What you can displace blocks by firing at them and then placing them beneath your feet, or if you're on the floor next to you, in the right direction exclusively, which is why this is a beta build of the game. If you go to the itch page, not long enough after this video comes out. So yeah. Oh god. Also, it looks kind of weird and inconsistent sometimes. Like how the gun is above them, but you aren't. That's disgusting. I don't like that. But anyway, we're gonna close out of that. We're gonna hide that. So yeah, this displaceable, and this just handles getting these into your inventory so you can replace them. Well, it's an invisible inventory, but And then enemy hurt, so I thought I'll explain what enemy hurter is. The enemy hurter basically, actually, yeah, let me just load up the level. Okay, so I just played through a little bit of my game to get here. You can see here is the enemy hurter, and I can use that to come over here and kill the enemy by placing it there. And then I can fire at this enemy still. Also, there is text over there. I'm going to post a full walkthrough of the game so you can see stuff like that. So, yeah, we can hide that again. So that's what the enemy hunter does, kills enemies instantly. OBJ game, this is basically, I've always had a dev tool in here to allow me to get to any level I wanted to. You can use this as well if you haven't played my game yet, which you probably haven't. So yeah, I've got a dev tool here. And, yeah, that's basically just what OBJ game is for. And then we've got OBJ menu. This handles menu. I don't really just actually. So this lets you play and stop the game. You can key presses. OBJ pistol has got, a few more things. But let's, player, I'll open up player. I don't actually need to open up pistol. It's basically just got the logic for spawning in the displacement bullet, so, yeah. We've got the room managers for room 3 and room 4 because they both have counters in them, and this manages them. OBJ text box collision. This is basically, I've got text boxes in the game, and the collisions handle spawning them. And then we've got OBJ transition. So transition is, when I loaded up the game, you saw those black bars coming into the screen and then leaving again. Transition handles the logic for that. And turn collider is basically, see, in this level, no, because no enemies are in this level. Oh, yeah, they don't use turn colliders. Yeah, here, look. This is turn collider 1, this is turn collider 2. It makes the enemies turn around without having to reach a ledge, which is useful. And, yeah, that's the new, items and things that I've added to the game. I didn't really, there's new items and things I've added to the game for this game jam. It's, also got the screen shake effect, which I forgot to mention. It's got the screen shake effect when you spawn in, the enemies hit flash, but I'm pretty sure that was said before. There are a lot of things here that I've added since the last time, and I think the game now is decently fun to play. But that's obviously down to you if you decide to play it. Yeah. I've been working on it a bit more to get that placing on the floor thing working. It's not working correctly yet, so yeah, we'll fix that eventually. No, we'll fix that, but yeah. I don't know what else to talk about here. And the videos are already too long to do a full playthrough of the game unless I decide to be good at it. Let's decide to be good at it, so we're just gonna flip over to level 1 because I tried recording this once before and it didn't go too well, so it would be out before this. Oh god. Yeah, this game is way quicker if you actually play it, which is another problem with this, so sorry about the slow-paced gameplay that you're seeing here. That's annoying, but I mean, it's not unbearably It is unbearably slow to watch, but it isn't unbearably slow to play, I promise. I can't tell you which ranking I got in the Jam. I'll probably tell you that in Devlog 2, which is mainly going to just be adding new features. I might even try and turn it into a more Devlog-y style of thing. I don't know. I'll probably play through the last level in an end card after saying peace, because I do know how to add end cards to my videos, I just haven't for some reason, so... Well, wait, I have, but only in a few of my videos. I should probably go back and add them to all of them, oopsie. But yeah, I'm gonna close off this video now, and, that was basically me running down what I've added to the platformer to make it fit the game jam. I'm sorry that it couldn't be a more experience type video, but it wasn't even particularly explorative of the code. That's why it's so short. This video is not going to get any views. I will return to my normal informative, telling you what happens in the code style video, for the next devlog. This devlog I kind of want to make now, and I just wanted to tell you what I'd added to my game, and what was brand new in my game and stuff, so I hope you enjoyed it even slightly. As I get to learn to edit, which is definitely like one of the tops of my priority list. Don't worry. Oh, that's not good. Why does that even... How does that even happen? I'm not sure. It's an issue and I will fix it. But so yeah, again, thank you for watching, if you did. I know that my videos can be boring. I'm trying to improve that. That's one of my New Year's resolutions for 2021, along with getting more serious game development done. Those are my two main resolutions for this year. Also, just don't fall down here ever, please, because then you'll realise how much wasted space there is in this level. It's one of my worst levels, definitely, but it's still fun, so... This level 1, the best level is probably... probably the first level, because it explores the most of the stage with its potential, and, yes, I do need to get better at this level design thing, because I call my levels way too small for it to actually work. It isn't, I'm just too bad at using the space. So that's also something I need to do. These levels will probably be in a finalized version of the game, if there ever is one, but not as levels as part of the main campaign. Probably extras, because yeah, even a full free release, since this is very much not a full release, this is very much just a simple prototype of something that I wish to achieve later on. But it's been good fun to make, at least. It was a great fun weekend. I interacted with a couple of friends who were also happening to be participating in this jam, so I had a lot of fun in this jam, so thanks to Denim for hosting it. And it was a very positive experience overall for me. Once I beat this level, I'll sign off. Sorry about the low quality of this video. It's lower than I even expected, so yeah, I thought I'd be able to make a devlog more interesting. No, apparently not. Game Dev Journey, episode 1 is still the most viewed video on my channel, though, so that's cool. God damn it. that's a bug, so that's a good way to end the video, showing you the most prominent and annoying bug in my game right now. So, I hope you enjoyed. That was my best playthrough of the game so far. Hope you enjoyed, hope you'll play my game. I will link it in the description. I'll remember to add a link to the description, because I don't do that often, so sorry. I'm gonna switch back to workspace 1, because I kinda just... Yeah, I'll be back with a brand new devlog for this video sometime soon, and I'm going to record small snippets of my development process whenever I implement something interesting, cool, or new, to see if I can edit it. So yeah, I might even record long development chunks. I don't know. So I'm gonna sign off now. Peace out, fam. Peace out, guys. I need to play my game again real quick. So yeah, I'm about to pop up the thingy and enjoy, I guess. It is not fun. Peace. Peas. Ah yes, if you're still here, sorry about the lack of music. It would probably make it far more engaging to watch this, because I don't even have a sound effect for walking, because you play as a cube. So, sorry. About that, yes, that's something that I will fix eventually one day in the level. That's not good for my A rank. That's not good for my game. See, there are a couple of visual quirks literally only in this level with that, which is really annoying, but hey ho, what can you do, I guess. Ooh, I forgot that was in there. Ah yes, A rank still isn't working. I thought it would be, but no. It's still the A rank bug, which means that you can only get A rank, so I mean, good job me for implementing that, and yes, that is a bug, and yes, that isn't meant to be